Okay, you've got a town with a population of 2,000 people and it grows by 4.5% every year. What will the population be after 13 years? Now, all this stuff over here to the right shows you how you might do it if you did it by brute force manual calculation. So after year zero, there's 2,000 people. Now, how would you calculate the number of people after year one? Well, you'd start with 2,000. You'd take 4.5% of 2000 and add it on to what you started with. And 4.5% is 0.045 or 0.045. And if you look at this expression right here, you see there's a 2000 in each term on either side of this plus sign. If I factor out that 2000, then from the first term, I'll have a 1 plus the 0.045 will be left, and that's the same as this. So that's the number of people after 1 year, 1.045 times 2,000, which is actually 2,090. Okay, and if you want to go to year two, we would take the starting amount, which is this number right here, which happens to be 290, and we'd add on 0.045 times that same number. And we're in the same situation. Each term contains a 2000 times 1.045. If I factor that out, that leaves a 1 plus this 0.045. And that can be written as 2000 times 1.045 to the second power. And if we follow that pattern, we end up with a formula that's called exponential growth. Okay, so that's the formula right there. 2000 is the initial value. When t is 0, that number to the 0 power is 1, we get 2000. When t is 1, 2000 times 1.045, that would be 2090, and so on. So p of t is equal to 2000 times 1.045 to the power of t, where t is time in years. And here's what that looks like on Desmos. Here's the function, exponential growth, because the base for the power here is greater than 1. That's why it's growth. And if we look right here, there's what we get if we put 13 in for t. 3,544.39, round to the nearest whole number, 3,544. Okay, so you can see that we started at 2000. For 1 year, up to 2090, and you can see it's growing exponentially. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.